Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am finally going to unbox the Earfun Free Pro 3 True Wireless Earbuds. I've been waiting a while to do this. So I got my big unboxing knife out. Take this plastic off, put this away. All right. We got some translucence going on here. So what we got new is we got Qualcomm hybrid active noise cancellation technology, Snapdragon sound, which I don't have a phone that supports that. We got 6 microphones for noise cancellation technology and calls, 33 hours of playtime, and they broke that down 7.5 hours on a single charge plus 25.5 with the charging case. Got a low latency game mode. We finally got multi-point, IPX5 water resistant, not waterproof earphone. We got 7mm composite dynamic drivers, and we got touch controls with volume. I don't see wireless charging on here, but I'm gonna go ahead and take these out and test it, see if we get wireless charging, because all of the Earfun earbuds, oh man, all the Earfun earbuds, they have wireless charging. I like that. Better sound, better life. Let's hope so. So when you open it up, you are greeted to this little envelope that has a card. You go to their website. You also get the charging connectors. You get the ear tips and the pins. You can pause the video if you want, read that. They turn over us in Chinese. And this is the big old user manual. Oh, also, something to note, Qualcomm aptX adaptive. These earbuds are packing a wallet, man. It basically tells you how to pair them, how to turn them on, how to fit them, which is very important. It also tells you what comes inside the box. Let's see what else comes inside the box here. You got the Earfun Free Pro 3 right here. And this is the same as the Free Pro 2. I decided to go with the blue joints since I always get black. Got Earfun branding on top. You got a single LED light. I'll put them down. Open up this last box. And here you're gonna have the ear tips and the charging cable. It's very compact packaging we got here. Okay, let's see. Let's go inside the user manual, see how many ear tips you get. Let's see. Should show you. Ah, here we go. So you're getting extra small, medium, large, and extra large. I assume that the medium are already on the Free Pro 3 by default. Oh, you also get ear hooks. Okay, so keeping it pretty much the same as the Free Pro and the Free Pro 2. Let me see, some pretty springy tips, pretty loose. But instead of using these, here's the ear hooks. Oh, what's this? You get foam tips. You get, ooh, I might have to try these out. I was waiting to spring these out and put these on here, but I think I'll wait. These have foam tips. I got to try these out. Let's put all this stuff to the side. Let's check out these earbuds. Let's see what we got here. They look nice. They're pretty much the same as the Free Pro. Let me take this silicone tip off here. You got the speaker mesh here. That's different. Usually it looks like they have like a little piece of like mesh or that cheap looking stuff, but these look a little expensive. Earfun went all out. All right, I'm gonna take this plastic out of here that's covering the charging pins. They do that so the earbuds aren't discharging when they're packaged. All right, I actually like the way these look. I like that gradient look. That nice. They look nice. Look very nice. I like the way they look. Let's see if they would charge wirelessly. I got my charging pad over here, my Anchor. Let's see if the charging case is Qi compatible. It is. It is Qi compatible. It is Qi compatible. Wonderful. Good. All right. Well, I got my nothing phone right here, so I am going to, let's see, allow. All right. I'm going to go ahead and see if I can pair new device. Hopefully, okay, OnePlus 8. Let's see here. Let me put them back in the case. They're probably not on. I hope these got charge. Okay, they do. Okay, I'm gonna close the lid. Open them back up. Okay. Yep, that was quick. All right, let's see. It says pairing rejected. Ouch. That's not good. Ugh. All right, let's try this again. Okay, close the lid. Let me go back out of here. Okay. Open the charging case again. Okay, got LED lights that are blinking. All right. Now let me go in here. Let's see. Okay, we got it. We got it. Okay, connected. Now the thing I like about my nothing phone is it'll actually tell you if some earbuds support the newest Bluetooth codecs. And as you can see right here, it says aptX adaptive. And you click on the cog and it'll show you HD audio, Qualcomm aptX adaptive. All right, let's go back inside of the Earfun app. Okay, Earfun Free Pro 3. All right, searching. Let's see here. Connected. Oh, wow. Okay. Nice. Looks like the app's got a... Okay, we got a new firmware here. I'm gonna update that. Can I... Okay, I was trying to skip that. I added a charging case. Yeah, okay. Now, while that is charging, let's go through some of the features you get inside the Earfun now. Okay, the app looks a lot better than what it did. They gave the app a Flintstone chewable. Thank you. Thank you. So you can toggle between noise canceling, ambient sound, normal mode. You can toggle game mode on and off. You say you can customize the controls. You can disable all on the left and the right. Okay, you can click on the left and the right on the picture. All right, nice. Okay, let's see what we got here. We got tap once, volume down, tap twice, pause and play. Tap 3 times previous track, long press, noise canceling. Okay, custom. You can customize that. All right, that's dope. And you can actually change all 4 of these. Let's go on the right one. See, this is how it's done. This is how you do touch controls. Look at this. You got noise, you got previous track, you got next track, you got pause and play on tap twice. And you also have volume up and volume down. And you got long press, okay, on the right. So this is something you need to keep in mind. If you're the type of person to only listen to one earbud, just know that if you choose the right one, you're not going to be able to use noise cancellation unless you turn that off, get rid of the voice assistant and put it on the right one. Yeah, that's a godsend right there. That's wonderful. That is absolutely wonderful. What is this? Earfun. Oh, what have we here? Let's see. We got some presets in here. Okay, you got the default sound, which is Earfun Classic. I don't know what that is. You got the preset equalizer. Oh, Earfun style, different types of choices. You got rock, you got pop, you got country, R&B, classical, jazz, bass boost, treble boost, bass reducer, and treble reducer. This is nice, but instead of having it where you have to scroll from left to right like this, maybe like shrink this down a bit and have them be like toggles, like you have them like this. Let's see here. You got Olaf signature. I'm gonna click on the question mark. Okay, I know who Olaf is. Yeah, he's Austrian. Yeah, he's supposed sorry, but music geek. Okay, all right. So you have a Olaf's gadgets preset. Okay. All right. Let me see. Okay, if I click on this. All right, so you look like you can customize it. Okay, enjoy Master Olaf sound. You can get natural or you can get boosted. I would try natural. Let me hear what that sounds like. Yeah, I just want to play with this. Oh man, I feel like a kid on Christmas Day. Man, this is whoo. This is fun. But then you got my style. Customize your own personalized sound. Excuse me, I got something like my throat. Let me drink some Dr. Pepper. Okay, this is what I'll say. When it comes to equalizing the sound, the only thing Earfun is missing is what OnePlus does with their earbuds, where they have the audio ID, where you listen to different like tones that play in your left and your right ear. And then what it'll do is it'll calibrate that, and whatever, do the low end, the mid-range frequencies and the high-end frequencies, and whatever it'll do it based on how your hearing is, because as we age, our hearing changes. In my case, it got a little worse. That's all Earfun needs. That's all Earfun needs is like an equalizer, like a custom equalizer for your specific ears. But this is wonderful. This is amazing. I would probably play with the Earfun style. And you got custom equalizer where you can just do, okay. So if you watch my Earfun Air Pro SV video, I complained about how Earfun only gave you 3 toggles or 3 switches to play around with. And it looks like they listen to customer feedback. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 bands. See, that's all I need. I need them bands to make me dance. Let's see what they fit in my ears right quick, because the battery on my 7A is like less than 20%. They fit good right out the box. Although I don't like these tips, because these come right out. These will just come right out of my ears. So I'm going to take these off, and I'm going to put these foam tips on here. If I can just figure out how to open up this bag. Let me see. Okay, I got it. This is the first time I've seen foam tips being included with some Earfun earbuds. This is a first for me. Maybe they came in with the other stem style earbuds that I didn't get. I forgot what they're called. The Earfun, was it the Air S? I didn't get those. Maybe they came with them. I don't know. I didn't see any reviews that showed them coming with foam tips. Let's see how these fit. I think these are the like medium. I'm gonna have to leave it right in one particular spot so microphone will expand. Okay, that's a pretty good fit. It doesn't hurt my ears, and the earbud's not moving. All I'd have to do is change out these ear hooks and I'm good to go. This is wonderful. I'm so happy about, oh, I just triggered voice assistant on the right one. This is good. This is a great change. This is what I've been needing Earfun to do. And they're on noise canceling by default, although I don't have anything playing in the background. Yeah, this is a perfect fit. I like the foam tips. I'm gonna rock with these. So this has been my first impressions and unboxing of the Earfun Free Pro 3. If you want to see the full review, because I'm gonna have to do like a full battery sample in ANC and transparency mode to see how much battery I get on a single charge. You know, subscribe to my channel so you'll see the full review. Click the bell icon so you'll be notified when I drop that video, because it won't be long. Probably by the end of this week or next week, because I got a lot more stuff coming. With that being said, I'm happy. I hope you're happy. Hope you're having a good day. Enjoy your life. Enjoy your sound. I'll see you in the next video.